only time that I'll actually use it is if I leave my phone at school or if I just get my other phone taken away, which is this one.
Ow.
And then I have no other choice but to use that one.
Alright, we're filming now.
That was loud. Okay.
The camera got me spitting out my bubbly.
Damn.
I took a drink of my bubbly, and then you belched as soon as I got a bunch of it in my mouth, and it went all over my dresser.
Yeah, I know. I saw you spitting it out like a lunatic.
Why is my dresser so dark now? Damn.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Girl, turn your camera on.
Okay.
Yeah. What is that? Oh my gosh.
Holy skibbity toilet.
That was longer than Skibbity Toilet.
That was funny.
Oh my gosh.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah, I'm still recording. We've been recording for like 2 minutes and 25 seconds.
That's so funny.
That was so much, bro.
I felt like 5 or 6 times just now. That was so funny.
Let me go. Imagine the friends that don't even know my face find this channel.
Oh.
Oh.
Post 28. Ooh, whoop.
Hold on. I'm gonna hit post 28. Post 28.
Post 28.
I need to find out how Ava will get access to the Elsie and Rory channel.
Oh, yeah. I can just sign in and I'll re-sign back in at the same time. That's actually so perfect as hell.
Yeah. You can switch channels back and forth.
Yes,
What was that?
I actually don't know. Oh, Scarlette Fox, so Wizard of Scarlette. That was just like a long ass outro.
I just cracked my neck.
I also just cracked my neck. It's so pretty.
Come on, crack your stupid toes! Okay, they're not popping. Bitch. I'll probably censor that, cause, yeah.
I literally love the fact you just heard wheezing.
That was 5 times.
I know.
times. 7 again.
Wait, you want to try or am I?
9 times. 9 times. Six times, bro. 10.
I just cracked my toes.
That was allowed. I heard that.
Damn. I also just cracked my knuckles. I just cracked my knuckles twice.
Okay. I got 3 times last time.
I just cracked my toes again.
A single time. Achoo!
If I do sneeze and then I can belch again, that would be so fucking fun. I'm not gonna lie.
Achoo! Yeah.
Are you still Are you still recording this though?
Yeah.
Damn! The camera has just caught us belching this entire time. Oh wait, I'll be right back.
I actually just sneezed.
That was funny. Hey mom.
Shoo! Dang!
Yes. I wanted to get a lollipop.
Oh shoot!
Damn, now my head hurts from doing that. And unfortunately, it's not a cherry one, it's a strawberry one, but it's so skibbity.
Skibbity!
I think you're dying.
Because I am. Skibbity toilet!
My IR contact that Are you?
Yes, I am.
Yummy.
Oh! That looks like cherry.
Yeah, I know. Because it kind of tastes like a cherry one, actually.
Oh.
It tastes
Skibbity
like
toilet!
it tastes like a cherry watermelon flavor one.
Skibbity toilet! I'll stop recording when it gets to 10 minutes. Skibbity toilet! That was the last drop of my bubbly. Oh! Yeah.
What's up, my skibbities?
I just did a belch that was longer than Skibbity Toilet, and it didn't even stop at all. It was like 9 seconds long.
Damn!
Bye, guys. Goodbye.